model, 2016 Renault Trucks Master Long Wheelbase, Luton Low Loader 2.3 DCI Body, White, Luton, Box, Low Loader Mileage, 165.590 MOT, the 31st of May 2024 Engine, 2298 cc DCI2, 3/145 bhp E5C Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Turbo needs replacing. Gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Very clean Luton low loader features, 0 former keepers, part service history, EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.